These undervalued stocks are showing huge signs of growth. Large caps are back, baby. Top 2 stocks to watch now. Watch before Monday. After better than expected earnings, PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL, had a nice buyback program, which set its stock price skyrocketing. Now, this is down quite substantially yield to date, so we have a lot of room for growth. There's a huge gap up to fill. And while we're still looking for more volume, there's several indicators that are showing a potential huge reversal. Not only did we see the 20 and 100-day MACD oscillator crossover, which is very bullish, and the 20-day wants to break out over the 100-day. The entry price is 101. Large caps are back, baby. And our second stock is no exception. This is Tesla, TSLA. They're definitely on my radar this week because, let's face it, institutions have been doing horrible this year. And the first place they buy is the large caps. We're seeing nice volume and we're seeing a lot of buyers. We see a very nice cup and handle pattern. We even have a bull flag breakout and a 20-day crossing over the 100-day moving average. Also, new resistance confirmed support. There's a lot of juicy goodness to see here with an entry price of $890. Sign up for my free newsletter, link in the description below, to get my top 5 stocks to watch for this week. Let me know in the comments below what stocks you're watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye, future millionaires.